Hello Basila, welcome to today's question of the day. Let's look at the question and see how easy or difficult it is. Easy question if you remember the major points. Okay, and reminder, other notes in the QR code. Scan panikonga, join panikonga, and you'll get all the PDFs on time. Let's go to the question. Yeah. Okay. Question is regarding DNA and DNA structure. Okay. State the 4 criteria which a molecule must fulfill to act as a genetic material. So, I think for a very long time, they have all been searching on what is actually genetic material. What is it that one generation to another generation pass on from parent to child. Okay, so on the confusion, what is actually the genetic material? Is it protein? Is it RNA? Is it DNA? So on the confusion, experiments tests and they've come up to a conclusion slowly. It has not happened at once, right? But then they realized for any material, okay, for any molecule to be considered as the genetic material, okay, there has to be some criteria. Okay, genetic material. We need somebody who is what enough, right? So that's a criteria. Let's see what are the criteria and let's see why DNA is selected. Okay. Why DNA is considered as the genetic material, what are the criteria it has met? Okay, fine, it makes sense right now. Alright, so that is the question and here is the answer. So we do have several points out of which you can, if they're asking for 4 points, write 4 points. Alright, so let's see. Replica should be generated. That is, DNA should be able to replicate itself and make copies. So DNA already it is already undergoing a process called as DNA replication, okay, where the entire DNA is being copied and made into multiple copies. So you make copies of DNA. Okay, it's there in your chapter molecular base of inheritance, right? Now, it should be chemically and structurally stable. Definitely, it should not react with any other molecule. Okay, protein hello, it should be very stable. That is why DNA is generally double-stranded. We have a double-stranded structure. Okay, double-stranded structure which has complementary base pairing. Complementary base pairing of nucleotides. So nucleotides like adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine base pairing which makes it very strong. Okay, so kunjo heat patalo, kunjo whatever things it goes through, it stays very stable and doesn't react to other molecules. Okay, which is a very important point. Genetic material. Otherwise, you can't. Let's look at the third point. It should be able to express itself in the form of Mendelian characters. So, what are those Mendelian characters? We have learned, law of dominance is there, law of independent assortment is there, law of segregation. So when you're crossing a capital D with a small t, you get a mix, right? You get a mix where there is equal distribution of characters. Or let's say segregation is there, or two factors, two alleles, there is independent assortment. Okay, so yes, these are characteristics which will help long term inheritance. All the DNA in our body should be able to go through that. Sila Mendelian characteristics that is the third point. Let's do the fourth criteria. It should provide the scope for slow changes or mutations that are necessary for evolution. If that doesn't happen, okay, there is something called as inbreeding depression. Okay, Because the environment around us is constantly changing. அது மாறிக்கிட்டே தான் இருக்கு. Okay, so இந்த mutation நடக்கலன்னா, why do we need mutation? For adapting to the changing environment. இதுக்கு என்ன எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொல்லலாம்? We are all in a century, or we are all in an era where we are having smartphones, when we are having AI, we have a lot of things in our computers. We depend so much on technology and internet. Okay, in the time la ஒருத்தவங்க வந்து அடம் பிடிக்கிறாங்க, saying no, I will still not use any of these. I still need the அந்த டெலிஃபோன் பூத்ல இருக்கிற அந்த ஃபோன் இருக்குல்ல, லேண்ட்லைன் ஃபோன், நான் அதை மட்டும் தான் யூஸ் பண்ணுவேன். I will not use a smartphone, I will not use mobile phones, no laptops, no iPads, I will not use any of these. I will still be only using the telephone booth, or the telephone as such, landline connection, அதை மட்டும் தான் நான் யூஸ் பண்ணுவேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்போது what happens? Okay, if there is no evolution at all, that person will not be able to survive. How will they communicate? By still writing letters? No, there is always limitation. The same thing happens in genes also. So, நம்மளும் வந்து evolve ஆகலனா, நம்மள சுத்தி இருக்கிற pollutionக்கு, நம்மள சுத்தி இருக்கிற climate changeக்கு, we will not be able to adapt. And in fact, நம்ம adapt பண்றதை விட faster climate change ஆகுது. That's a different thing. But if there is no mutation at all, we will not be able to survive anywhere. Okay, so whatever genetic material we consider, it should be able to go through some healthy mutations. Okay, so we have 4 points. Replica should be created. Okay, chemically structurally stable ah irukano. Then it should be able to express itself using or similar to Mendelian characteristics, and it should also undergo certain mutations. It should be open to mutations. These are 4 major criteria by which we say DNA is the best genetic material. Okay, right. So that was the question for today. Now I have few announcements to give you regarding, one is regarding our fast track batch for all the NEET repeaters, generally students who are going to write NEET exam in the upcoming year. So avungalukkaga fast track admissions innum poitu irukku. If you want, you can please do join. And your seniors Talapati batch oda admissions innum poikiட்டு இருக்கு. But now we are bringing in greater discounts because we've completed a big chunk of the portions. Okay, so adanala we do have some major discounts going on, but palaya recordings ellame ungalku available ah irukum. The same goes for Vetri also. Okay, Vetri batch admissions are still going on, and if you want to join, takkan abdiye you can download the app and directly join, or you can join calling up this number. Yes, 8129000700 number call pannite you can get through the admissions and join our paid courses. Alright, மறுபடியும் நான் சொல்றேன், நோட்ஸுக்கான PDF இங்க இருக்கு. We will come up with more question of the day series, but it'll be helpful if you guys tell us உங்களுக்கு என்ன வேணும்னு. So please do let us know if you have specific topics or specific questions that you want us to discuss or explain or elaborate. அது நீங்க comment sectionல சொல்லிட்டீங்கன்னா அதுக்கேத்த மாதிரி questions எடுத்துட்டு we will come for the next session. Okay, so see you until then, take care and bye bye.